Drawing area. The Civil 3D drawing area is the central rectangular area where most of the action takes place. It is the center stage where we draw, visualize, select, and manipulate objects. In the drawing area, there are some elements that need to be noted. For more details on the elements, you can refer to the AutoCAD Level 1 course. But let's mention them briefly. In the top left corner, Viewport and Visual Style controls the view directions and styles. The UCS, or User Coordinate System, is the active coordinate system that establishes the XY or work plane and the vertical direction for drawing and modeling. The View Cube is where you can see drawing elements from different view directions by rotating the view. The navigation bar contains additional tools like Pan, Orbit, and more. That concludes the section on the drawing area. Up next, the command line.